Tatapos lang mag-deliver. Ano muna tayo? Pahinga. Okay. Let's go. Ay, buhay, lechonero.
Head northeast on Miraleste Plaza toward Via del Plaza, then turn right onto Miraleste Drive.
Let's go, folks.
This route avoids a road closure before the Vincent.
Merong ano mamaya, fireworks. Close yata ito, mga.
Turn left. At the roundabout.
Exit the traffic circle onto Via Siena.
Hirap lang mga daan
In a quarter
dito.
mile, turn right onto Miraleste Drive.
At the next stop sign. Turn right.
Oh, buhay lechonero. Buhay lechonero. Lalala.
Sign.
Turn right onto South Miraleste Drive. Take the next right onto Miraleste Drive.
Ganda ng view dito. Ganda ng view. Ito sa Palos Verdes. Palos Verdes. Ay, yamanin. Oh, mga nagmumotor, oh. Palos Verdes view. Napakaganda. Palos Verdes.
Turn left onto West.
Take the next left onto West 1st Street.
In 2.5